Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Mediatek MT7921 is disconnecting randomly when attempting to connect to your Wi-Fi. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on your network adapter listed in here, and then right click on that network connection you're having a problem with, and select Properties. Select the Power Management tab, and where it says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, uncheck that option, select OK, and then right click on the network connection again and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one unless there's only generic drivers available for selection here, and then select Next and close out of here. And then I would suggest closing out of here and then restarting your computer at this point. So hopefully this point issue has been resolved. If you're still having a problem, something else we can attempt here as well would just be to reset our network settings back to default. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because what we're about to do is going to reset our network settings, and once you restart your computer after performing the next action, you will need to enter those Wi-Fi credentials back in the next time your computer restarts. So once that is established, go ahead and open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best match should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now option, and then select Yes. Now at this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this point issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.